In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot on Wix Website Builder. We're going to walk through the process of finding the HubSpot integration inside Wix and adding it to your site. This is a useful setup if you want to connect your website with HubSpot so your contacts can be managed more efficiently. The good news is that Wix makes this pretty straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, head over to wix.com and make sure you're on the Wix homepage or inside your Wix dashboard for the site you want to work on. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Wix keeps the main navigation menu, and it's where you'll find the tools you need for adding integrations and extra features to your website. From that left side menu, click on Apps. This section is where Wix lets you manage apps and services that can be connected to your site. After that, go ahead and click on App Market. The App Market is essentially Wix's built-in store for integrations, tools, and plugins that can expand what your website can do. Once the App Market opens, move to the search bar and type in HubSpot. Searching directly is the fastest way to find the exact integration you need, especially since the App Market includes many different app options. In the search results, look for the HubSpot app labeled Sync Your Contacts to HubSpot automatically and click on it. This is the app you'll use to connect your Wix website with HubSpot. Before you continue, it's always a good idea to quickly review the app description so you understand what kind of data or functionality it supports. Next, click Add to Site. This tells Wix that you want to install the HubSpot app on your website. After that, a confirmation window will appear. Click Agree and Add to approve the permissions and continue with the installation. At this point, the app will begin being added to your Wix site. If you're prompted to continue with any connection or authorization inside Wix after installation, just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The key part of this process is successfully locating the app in the Wix app market and adding it to your site so the integration can begin. And that's it. You've now added HubSpot to your Wix website through the Wix app market. Once installed, you'll be ready to move forward with connecting and using HubSpot alongside your site.